It was a most unusual day. From the west, a cold front, riding in high on the jet stream. From the Gulf of Mexico, a low mass of moist, warm, unstable air heading northward. And when they collided, it became the day of the killer tornadoes. From early morning, the Weather Service warnings were out. From the Gulf to the Canadian border.
Tornado watch for this area has now been changed to tornado warning.
Tornadoes are hitting Tennessee, Georgia, Ohio, 2 in Illinois, 2 more in Indiana. Another sighted near Hardinsburg, Kentucky, heading toward Brandenburg, a sleepy little river town 25 miles southwest of Louisville. At the radio station, just west of town, announcer Bill Byrne receives a telephone call telling of its coming.
Tornado.
The only warning, a last-second shout, and in 30 seconds, 31 people will die. In Louisville, upriver, an alarm sounds in the newsroom at WHAS, the local emergency broadcast station.
The severe thunderstorm warning has been changed to a tornado warning for Metro Louisville, Jefferson County, including Meade,
Fire Department,
Bullitt counties, and the southern Indiana counties.
We have a tornado reported on the ground in the Brandenburg vicinity, and it's headed toward Louisville. And we think the siren should be activated at the present time.
Okay, hit the yellow alert.
Okay, Dick, what can you see at this point?
Well, it's a spectacular sight. The low clouds, very black low clouds. At the moment, they're just about over Bowman Field, and it is swirling around, and it looks like smoke underneath it. It's still turning at a lot. Yes, there's one now.
Here comes the wind. Good gracious sakes alive. There's 50 right there. By golly, the whole thing's going, yeah, I'm going, come on.
The huge funnel touches down at the state fairgrounds south of the city, then heads direct for downtown. 90 miles northeast at the Cincinnati airport.
This is Cincinnati weather. Hamilton County Radio. Go ahead with your traffic. The Versailles, Indiana says he's just been picking up numerous reports. The funnel's dipping up and down.
Attention all cars and departments and all county broadcast.
Macaron, Cincinnati, Hamilton County Civil Defense.
The National Warning System alerts Leora Macaron, the county civil defense director.
Civil Defense to Weather Service. What is the location of the tornado?
13 miles southwest of Greater Cincinnati Airport, moving toward the northeast, 50 miles per hour.
Okay, I'm going to sound the sirens.
Is this a test? What's the matter with the sirens? Are they stuck?
What do we have to do to get these damn sirens turned off?
This is not a test.
At WCKY, the local emergency broadcast station.
The National Weather Service says it has sighted a tornado near the Greater Cincinnati Airport. Here is the National Weather Service with the latest report.
It is a funnel cloud. It looks to be about 200 feet off. No, now it is touching the ground.
What is it doing now?
Heading directly toward Hamilton County.
Quickly, the Emergency Operating Center is manned by Civil Defense and members of the Hamilton County Disaster Council.
Unit with emergency, go ahead. We have spotted a tornado in Green Township. It is really big.
A huge funnel rips across the Ohio River, passes just west of Cincinnati, roars on through Hamilton County.
Advise, it just passed LJ. Wolfleet headed northeast towards 275.
Wolfleet and Creek, a house exploded. 460. Creek and Plainfield is a shambles. 962, go ahead.
This whole neighborhood, Hutchison Road, has been wiped out. Houses leveled, wires, poles, and power down. You better send everything you can get over here.
Everything we got's rolling, 962.
The Hamilton County Elmwood Police Chief, This is a disaster area. They're alive, Cincinnati, and we need help.
They also have the same problem, Elmwood. We're trying to see what we can do for you. Civil defense. The City of Elmwood is requesting all possible assistance that can be rendered. They have advised that their city is now a disaster. Lincoln Heights, were you clear on sending your fire and life squad companies to Elmwood?
We're going to have to check. Fire department's on the scene. It's where it hit the last time.
Okay, 452. Understand fire units on the scene.
The storm front keeps marching north toward Dayton and the smaller city of XENIA, a dozen miles to the east.
Jim, could you take care of this, please?
In the National Weather Service office at Dayton Airport.
Hey, could you broadcast this in a hurry? Tornado warning is in effect for Montgomery and Greene counties until 5 p.m. this evening. Radar report indicates
a possible tornado sighted 25 miles northeast of Cincinnati, be moving to the northeast at approximately 50 miles an hour.
In the newsroom at station WHIO, weatherman Gil Whitney is watching his radar.
This one, I think it is. We better do something about it, Skip.
Cameras to the studio. Cameras to the studio. Prepare for weather set. Prepare weather set. Here's a weather bulletin from WHIO's Instant Weather Radar station. Instant Weather Radar now shows a tornado developing in northeastern Warren County. At 50 miles, the tornado is indicated by that strong echo to the southeast corner of the center of the screen. That familiar 6 hook now developing off the bottom of that tornado, thunderstorm rather. The track apparently is taking it from northeastern Warren County into southeastern Montgomery County into central Greene County.
At Miami Valley Disaster Services in Dayton, the director, Dick Burrows, picks up the message.
Centerville Police Department, Mrs. Blank.
This is Burroughs. Do you have a funnel sighted?
Right out our window.
Is it touching the ground?
It has not touched down now. Oh, dear. It's just right there. Right out our window.
Right outside the window.
God, yes.
The storm is severe.